In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate Instagram DMs inside of GoHighLevel so incoming messages turn into leads automatically. A lot of businesses get Instagram DMs every single day, but most of those messages go nowhere. Someone asks a question, the reply comes late, or it never comes at all. And even when you do respond, there's no follow-up, no tracking, and no system behind it. That's not an engagement problem, that's a systems problem. So by the end of this video, you'll have an Instagram DM automation that replies instantly, qualifies leads, and routes conversations so nothing gets missed. I'm Erin from GoHighLevel Mastery. Let's get into it. Before we build anything, I want to zoom out for a second. Instagram DMs are one of the highest intent places people reach out. If someone DMs you, they're already interested. But without automation, these messages depend entirely on timing and memory. And that's exactly what we're building here. Before we jump into the setup, make sure you're using the link below to start a free trial of GoHighLevel. You'll get full access to workflows, Instagram DM automation, tagging, and routing, no limited version, no commitment. Open the link, start your free trial, log in, and once you're inside, come back here and follow along step by step. Now let's actually build this together so you can follow along click by click and understand what each part is, not just copy it. Instead of building this completely from scratch, we are going to let GoHighLevel's AI help us build the base of the workflow. So this saves a ton of time and still gives us full control to tweak things as we go. So once you sign in, we are going to the left sidebar and clicking on automation. Then it automatically takes us to workflows. So this is where all message automations live: Instagram, Facebook, SMS, everything. So in the top right, we are going to click create workflow. So this time, instead of choosing start from scratch, we're going to choose build with AI. So the goal here isn't to blindly trust the AI, it's to let it lay the foundation. So that way we're not rebuilding the same structure over and over. So here it'll say, what do you want to automate? And I'm going to type in Instagram automation. Then I am going to click enter. And now it will essentially generate this workflow for me. So once the workflow loads, you'll see that AI has already created a basic workflow for us. So we're just going to walk through it step by step and make sure everything is set up correctly. So first thing here, I'm going to change the name into Instagram automation so that way we are organized. So at the very top of the workflow, you'll see a trigger and we are going to click into it. So the trigger is customer replied, and this is exactly what we want because it fires when someone sends you a message first. Under filters, you want to make sure reply channel is set to Instagram DM. This part is critical. Without this filter, the workflow could fire for text messages, emails, or Facebook messages, and that's how automations start behaving weird. So if you haven't already, rename the workflow to Instagram DM received, so that way it's obvious what it does when you look at this later on. This trigger is the when of the workflow. Nothing else happens unless someone actually messages you on Instagram. So directly under the trigger, the next action should be create or update contact from Instagram sender. So this step is what turns a DM into a real lead. Instagram messages by themselves live inside conversations, but they don't automatically become contacts unless you do this. This action pulls in whatever Instagram allows: name, username, message history, and either creates a new contact or updates an existing one. You don't need to manually map fields here, just make sure that action is saved and named clearly. This step answers the question, who is this person and do we already know them? Next in the workflow, you'll see add lead tag to contact. Click into this action and make sure that there is a tag applied, something simple like lead, Instagram lead, or IGDM. So tags are all about visibility. Later on, you'll be able to filter contacts by Instagram leads, trigger other automations, or see how many leads came from DMs versus forms or ads. Without tags, everything blends in together. So this step answers, how did this lead come in? Now we get to the first message. So the next action is send Instagram DM. We want to click into it, and this message is your automatic acknowledgement. It should be short, human, and low pressure. You can type in something like, hey, thanks for reaching out. Someone from our team will get back to you shortly. What you can also do is write AI. So let's say this is the message that you want to send, and maybe I want it to be a little bit more casual. So we can generate the SMS based on the prompt. And here it'll say hi, and then the custom value, so their full name. Thanks for reaching out. Someone from our team will get back to you shortly. Best regards, the team. So here, instead of full name, name, what I would actually do is their first name, so it's a little bit more casual. So how we do that is click on the custom values, then we can go to contact, and then instead of full name, I'm going to click on first name, and then we can use this one instead. You don't need a template here because this message is sent inside of the 24-hour window. The person just messaged you, so you're allowed to reply normally. So this step isn't about selling, it's just letting them know that their message didn't disappear. After the first message, the workflow pauses at a wait step. So click into it, and I would set it to 12 hours or 24 hours, depending on how aggressive you want the follow-up to feel. The reason this wait exists is very simple. Not everyone replies right away. People get distracted, they close the app, they forget. So this pause gives them space before the system nudges them again. After the wait, you'll see send Instagram DM follow-up. So this is your gentle check-in message. You can say something like, hey, just checking in to see if you had any questions. Happy to help whenever you're ready. Then again, I can write with AI. I could select the tone. Maybe it sounds a little bit urgent or checking in, so maybe formal. Really depends on what you're going for. I'll go with friendly. Then we will generate the SMS. Here again, instead of the full name, I prefer the first name. So we'll do this, first name, use message. Awesome. Again, this stays inside the allowed Instagram messaging window because the workflow started when they messaged you first. So this step helps recover conversations that would otherwise go quiet. So when you zoom out and look at the workflow as a whole, it reads very cleanly. When someone sends an Instagram DM, create or update their contact, tag them as a lead, send a confirmation message, wait a bit, send a follow-up, that's it. No complexity for the sake of complexity, just enough structure to make sure that DMs turn into leads instead of disappearing. So one quick thing to check before publishing, you'll probably notice these little red warning icons on the send Instagram DM steps. And I want to call that out because this is exactly how GoHighLevel tells you that something isn't finished yet. So I left those there on purpose. Those red icons don't mean the workflow is broken. They just mean that specific step is missing something. So once I click into the exclamation mark, we can see in this case, it's because the message itself hasn't been written yet. There's no text in the message box. So GoHighLevel is basically saying, hey, I don't know what you want to send. That's honestly helpful because instead of letting you publish something half done, it shows you exactly where you need to go and fix things. Anytime you see red like this, click into that step and check what's missing. For Instagram DM actions, it's usually just typing out the message or choosing a template. As soon as you save the message, the red warning disappears. So before you publish any workflow, always do a quick scan from top to bottom and make sure that everything is green. If GoHighLevel won't let you turn something on, this is almost always why. Once those warnings are gone, you're clear to test and publish, so there's no surprises later. Before turning this on, we can click test workflow at the top, send a real Instagram DM from an account that's already interacted with your page and watch what happens. You should see the contact created, the tags applied, and the messages go out. Once everything checks out, you want to toggle the workflow from draft to publish. So from this point, every Instagram DM is captured, labeled, and followed up with automatically, even if you're not online. Make sure to click save, and that's how you turn Instagram DMs into a system instead of a stress point. If you want to layer in keyword routing, booking links, or sales assignment later, this workflow is the foundation that makes all of that work cleanly. Now that you've seen the full setup, I want to point out something that's really important because this is where a lot of people overthink things. This workflow works because it's simple. Most people assume that if they want better results, they need more steps, more messages, or some really complicated logic. But in reality, Instagram DMs are already a personal space. When someone messages you, they're starting a conversation, not asking to be dropped into a long automated flow. So what this setup does is respond quickly, capture the person properly, and make sure the message doesn't get lost. That's it, and that's exactly why it works. You're not trying to close someone instantly, you're just making sure they feel seen, that their message went somewhere, and that the right person can take over without scrambling. That alone fixes most of the problems businesses have with DMs. Simple doesn't mean basic, it means dependable. So that's how you turn Instagram DMs into actual leads instead of letting them sit unanswered or get forgotten about. Once this is set up, you're not relying on timing, memory, or constantly checking your inbox. Messages come in, contacts get created, leads get tagged, and conversations stay organized without you having having to think about it. If you haven't already, make sure to use the link below to start your free trial of GoHighLevel so you can build this inside of your own account and follow along exactly as shown. And if this video helped you see Instagram DMs differently, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Erin from GoHighLevel Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.